Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm the Program Director at KIDDO, and today I'm going to show you how to access and use KIDDO's Parent Hub. The Parent Hub allows families to see what their child is learning at school and how they are developing. It provides hundreds of activity ideas for at home and allows parents to track their child's own progress. It's a valuable tool for closing that loop between school and at home. So let's get started. So you need to be logged in and in the dashboard of your class. Then click on the Students tab. You can see next to each student, there's a column saying Parent Invited or Parent Active. And then in the Actions column, click on the three dots. It is here that you can invite the parents. You just need to add their name and their email address. Then they'll get sent an email invite to access their own child's unique KIDDO Parent Hub. You can see in this class, Chili's parents have been invited to Chili's Parent Hub and that they have accessed it. Let's have a look at what the Parent Hub looks like now. Here is Chili's Parent Hub that Chili's family will see once they click on their unique login link that they are sent once you add their email address into the Students section. They can see what skills Chili is learning at school in your current program. They can see a snapshot of where Chili's development is. They can access both the progress report and the percentile report from Chili's fundamental movement skill assessments. They have hundreds of activities that they can be inspired by to do at home. These activities have been tailored for the home environment with the type of equipment and resources that you'd have at home. Parents can search through these. When they've completed activities, they'll receive incentives and achievements to encourage them to engage in more activities with their child. They can track their child's progress at home. They can see how long they can balance for and receive feedback on that. And then they can check their progress later after they've done some balancing activities. They have information and videos on how to develop the skills and the importance of developing the skills and the confidence to be active in the early years. As you can see, this is a valuable resource to link parents in with the KIDDO program and their child's physical development. So now you've seen how to access and use KIDDO's Parent Hub. Go and have a go yourself. Once you've linked parents in with the Parent Hub, you might like to view the insights for your class. You can see information and videos on how to do this in the support section of the KIDDO website. Thanks for being part of the KIDDO movement, and please do reach out to us if you need any help.